Hello bachcho, let's have a look at this question which says which of the following give positive Fehling solution test? And the options are sucrose, glucose, fats or protein. We have to identify which among the following gives a positive Fehling solution test. The key concept is Fehling's test. सबसे पहले थोड़ा सा फेलिंग्स टेस्ट के बारे में जान लेते हैं कि ये होता क्या है. इट इज अ क्वालिटेटिव टेस्ट which means it helps in the identification of compounds basically for carbohydrates. It is used to detect कौन से functional groups होते हैं जो इस टेस्ट से डिटेक्ट होते हैं. These are aldehyde group which is CHO ग्रुप. तो वो शुगर जिसमें एल्डिहाइड ग्रुप होगा वो इस पॉजिटिव टेस्ट देते हैं विद फेलिंग सॉल्यूशन. तो द सेकेंड फंक्शनल ग्रुप जो कि पॉजिटिव फेलिंग टेस्ट देता है दैट इज अल्फा हाइड्रोक्सी कीटोन्स. This test is only for aldehydes but alpha hydroxy ketone is an exception जिसमें कीटोन्स भी ये टेस्ट पॉजिटिव टेस्ट देते हैं. ये किस टाइप के कंपाउंड्स होते हैं? फॉर एग्जांपल ये एक कंपाउंड है विच हैव अ कार्बोनिल ग्रुप अटैच्ड और उसके फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे नेक्स्ट पोजीशन पे दैट इज अल्फा पोजीशन हैज एन हाइड्रोक्सी ग्रुप OH ग्रुप. तो इस टाइप के कंपाउंड्स भी पॉजिटिव फेलिंग्स टेस्ट देते हैं. reagent जो यूज होता है that is Fehling's solution that is actually a mixture of two solutions. So Fehling's solution comprises of two solutions which is known as Fehling A which is a hydrated copper sulfate solution. Hydrated copper sulfate solution and second which is Fehling B which is sodium potassium tartarate. In basic medium that is in the presence of a base which is NaOH. तो ये दो solutions होते हैं Fehling A which is hydrated copper sulfate, Fehling B which is sodium potassium tartrate along with NaOH. ये दोनों solutions मिलके Fehling solution या Fehling reagent form करते हैं. अब हम देखते हैं कि हमारे options में से कौन सा sugar ये test perform करेगा, positive test देगा. So the first option is sucrose. Sucrose we know is a disaccharide in which glucose and fructose are linked together. तो इसका structure बना के देखते हैं whether it can give a positive Fehling's test or not. Glucose is a 6-membered ring whereas fructose is a 5-membered ring. अब इसके functional groups draw कर लेते हैं which is CH2OH, primary functional group, OH groups, OH, H, H and OH. Similarly, इसके भी functional groups draw कर लेते हैं. So the primary functional group which is CH2OH, another CH2OH and the two OH groups. So these molecules are joined together by a glycosidic linkage, which is like this. तो इसके स्ट्रक्चर में अगर हम देखें तो we will see there is no CHO group available. Also, there is no alpha hydroxy ketonic group, right? So sucrose will not give positive test. Now the next sugar, which is glucose. The glucose का structure बना लेते हैं, which is CHO. Condensed structure बनाएंगे, CHOH 4 times and CH2OH. With Fehling test or Fehling solution, which comprises of Fehling A and B both, it will form COOH. The aldehyde group will get converted to carboxylic group, CHOH 4 times and CH2OH, along with Cu2O plus 2H2O. Now this copper oxide PPT gives red color. Red precipitate of this copper oxide indicates positive test. So glucose will give the positive Fehling solution test, whereas the option 3rd and 4th, these are fats. These do not contain the aldehyde group. Moreover, this Fehling solution is used to identify the aldose sugar and alpha hydroxy ketonic sugar. So the sugar which give positive Fehling solution test is option number 2, that is glucose. I hope you understood it well. Thank you and best of luck.